So here's an in-ground Chicago Hardy that did pretty well last year. And then over the winter, it died all the way down to the ground. And let me see if I can show you. There we go. You can see where it went to. And I thought it might have been a goner. And then it came back. It's even setting some figs. You see some figs there. There's one that's a little bit larger. Got some double bumps down there. Some other figs that are starting. So even though I thought it might have been a goner, it's coming back with gusto. That's really nice. Same thing happened to a few of my others. There's the Desert King. Also died all the way down. I thought it was dead. I was going to get rid of it. And then saw this little green thing. And looks like it's coming back. Right next to the Chicago Hardy is another one that I thought died. This is an I-258. Excuse the netting. The very first shoot that came back up was stomped on by Artie, my dog. And so this is to protect this young tree from him. Another one I thought was a goner was a dark Portuguese. I think that's what it was. Yeah, dark Portuguese. And he also, all of a sudden, started coming back. So, just wanted to show you this so that you don't think, oh my gosh, at the end of the winter, it's dead and it's not coming back. What you have to worry about are the roots. If the roots are strong, if they're in the ground and they were protected, then chances are the tree will make it. It'll come back and it'll even produce some figs. I have some other fig trees that also I thought didn't make it and coming back. And there. Thanks for watching. I hope you have luck with your fig trees. I hope that after this very harsh winter that we had in 25, 26, that you don't give up and that you didn't give up on your tree. I had a couple of people that got trees from me also thought they were dead, and I went over, and between the time they told me that it was dead and the time I went over there, which was only like a week or two, there was all kinds of growth and the trees look really good. They will come back, and they'll come back even stronger. So good luck with yours. Thanks for watching. Bye.